Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, so today we got the G-TiDE R1 smartwatch. Answer, make calls, 300 milliamp, big battery smartwatch. Heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, fitness tracker, Bluetooth 5.2 smartwatch for Android, IP68 certified, waterproof, black. So this thing is about $52 off of Amazon, and the company sent this to me for a nice little quick review, and that's what we're going to do. So let's get this bad boy unboxed and check it out. Now, the price is pretty cheap here, so you cannot expect supreme quality, but we're just going to check it out, see if it works. I'll even take it on a hike and see if it stands the test of time and if the sensors actually work. We'll even check the battery as well. Alright, so let's get this thing out of this package here. And it is not scratched, just has a little cover on it that I'll be peeling off right now. So, the watch itself is pretty light, pretty nice, looks good. Not heavy at all. It's got a nice little cool look to it. Definitely something that you can see yourself wearing. Just pull off the little plastic on the back there. Sensors look pretty good in the back too. It's got a good feel to it. The watch itself feels good. The bands feel a little cheaper, but like I said, it's also a $50 watch, so you can't expect too much. Alright, and we got two little buttons here. The top one can actually turn, and the bottom one is just a push button. Touchscreen feels pretty good. You got a lot of options: walking, football, baseball, volleyball, rugby, hockey, walking. So the only one I'm missing is hiking, so that's a little bit of a bummer because I do a lot of hiking, so maybe they can add that later. You got your weather app up top. So watch feels pretty good. For a $50 watch, it's pretty decent. So you press the top button there. Let's just get back to the menu. I'm just showing you there. And it has all the basic smartwatch functions that you'll get. You can change the theme, the time, all bunch of settings that you can check through the manual here. Alright, now let's see what kind of accessories they included in the box. Alright, so you got an extra band there, blue. Like I said, these do feel a little cheaper. Quality, it's cool that they give you an extra one. And I'm guessing this will be the charger. There we go. Same thing. Feels a little plasticky, but we'll snap it on and see if it works. So it is charging there. You kind of feel the heat coming off the watch. I'm just kind of going through some of the menus. You got the heart rate monitor, steps, body temperature, O2 meter. Let's see if it actually calculates it. 98%. Pretty good. Your weather app, and back to your home menu. And that's how it looks on the hand. Looks pretty good. And just going through some of the menu options, you can swipe up, down, left, or right, all accessing different menus. You got your settings menu, your app menu. The toggle button works pretty good. Pretty responsive. Not bad at all. I kept the watch on for a full day. The battery does need to be charged nightly. It doesn't, probably is not going to last more than a day or two, but nightly charging is fine. You can connect it to your phone, make phone calls, and it doesn't look pretty bad. It doesn't look too bad at all. Alright, so let's get this thing out on the trails. I'm just doing a side-by-side comparison of my Samsung G watch there, so you can see they're about the same size, maybe slightly a little bit smaller. We're just going to do a quick little hike and check out how it is. So I just started the hike, started the watch at the same time, and it did really well on the hike. Came back, had the exact same steps as my Samsung G watch, same with destination and everything like that. So gotta say that the watch actually, its sensors were able to hold its own. It actually has more sensors than my Samsung G watch, so that's pretty cool to see as well. and that was the G-TiDE smartwatch. So if you're looking for a smartwatch, a cheaper smartwatch in the market, something that you don't want to pay more than $50 for, this is the watch for you. It pretty much comes with all the bells and whistles and sensors that a premium brand has at a lower price. You're not sacrificing quality too much. Like I said, you will notice the difference from a premium watch, obviously, but it does get the job done. The only thing I would complain about was the watch band, and the charger could be a lot better. Should have a lot better charger. Other than that, the watch is not too bad. Had it for about 2-3 days, didn't have any problems with it. So with that said, I'll put the link in the description. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.